Not that I'm involved in much surgery, 2 years into the residency, and I'm still doing plenty of scut. That's so cute. Scut work, on the other hand, goes by in a flash. Most of my before and after, which a hard line between them proves that there are millions of small things. So I don't have to worry about the any more than once. I'm getting bored.
Well, talking about the algorithm that Jonathan developed.
This intercom banter was a fucking delight. I should probably clean my room. You guys already know, it's an inevitable cycle. I will always end up here. My life will be going great. Everything up here will be going great, which means my room, it's tidy, it's clean, and it's going hand in hand with what's going on in my life, which means that when things aren't going too well, especially when other responsibilities are thrown into the mix, things start to get like this, and yeah, and it just gets bad. I have just always struggled to keep my room clean, and I genuinely don't think I can do anything about it. I feel kind of helpless in that sense. My brain doesn't think the first thing to do when I do take something out or when things get messy is like to immediately clean. Instead, it kind of strays away from all of that. I really think the only thing to do in that situation is take action. I'm smiling through the pain, and we're gonna clean, which, you know, I'm looking forward to this. Really, I am looking forward to it. Let's get a move on. And don't you guys worry, this video is a collective of many other things. It's a bit of a life diary, I guess you could say. I truly work best at night when I get the random bursts of motivation. It is 9:45, and as we say here, let's do the damn thing. I'm gonna take out the trash. Oh my god! It's a heavy one. Damn. Disgusting. I'm pretty sure there are deadly spiders out there. I am gonna finish this off tomorrow morning just because I forgot I'm supposed to go play basketball. I'm already sweating, so might as well. Until tomorrow. Before the busy day ahead begins, I'm gonna make my favorite drink. And I would like to thank Huel for sponsoring today's video. I saw I made my little green juice with their daily greens. This is my baby. Being a college student, I'm very limited on time. One of my main concerns with that is intaking all of the proper nutrients that I should be, and that is why I literally take this every day, because it contains 91 vitamins, minerals, and whole food source nutrients. Now this daily greens is made up of 5 different blends. To make sure I'm saying this correctly, there is plant-based protein and raw superfood blend. There's also organic antioxidants green blends, organic superfruit blend, super mushroom adaptogen complex, and botanical blend. The product also contains dairy-free probiotics. That in itself is like really cool to me because I've really been trying to get into probiotics and just keeping myself as healthy as can be. Each serving has 50 calories and 3 grams of plant-based protein and 147 health benefits. Best of all, this is the most quick and easy drink you could probably make. And even though I'm always running late, I will always have at least like 30 seconds to make this, and it makes class a little bit better as I just sip on my green juice drink, and it makes time go by faster. Don't ask me how. Thank you again, Huel, for sponsoring today's video. Love you guys. I'm already like halfway through my bag, so have to buy another one soon. Plenty of things to do today. As much as I would like to take a nap, I had this slight urge right now. Really had to pull myself out of it, but we will start with laundry. it be horrible if I just took a nap right now? I'm like 90% done with my room, but I'm taking a break now, so would it be bad of me to just like leave it at that? 90%, I'm good with that. I'm just coming off my period also, so that's why I've just been needing to like constantly take these little breaks. Time to nap for 10 minutes. Alexa, set an alarm for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
We're back to the reading, this time in a much more peaceful environment. I have to find the perfect video to watch. This video is turning out a lot more relaxing than it should be. Probably because I have been avoiding my assignments. I promise you, after this, we're gonna start getting very productive.
Okay. My friend.
I just wrote out my very extensive to-do list, and I have yet to start on anything. I've really been procrastinating these things, guys, trust me. You know, if I'm gonna start somewhere, I think I'm gonna start with the biggest thing, which is gonna be my bio project. This is for my bio lab class for future teachers. Thank goodness it is not a hefty bio class where things are very serious. No. I've never gotten an A in a biology class. They've always been B's and C's. I really tried in them, to be honest, but it was also easy to give up at times. Let me just say I've never been good at science or history, which is ironic because I want to be possibly an elementary school teacher. Those are things you certainly need to teach. It's a clear example of the effect of elevation. This mountain, Southern California. We'll finish up my presentation tomorrow, but so far, it's looking good. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think things are looking a little crazy. I'm waiting for Brie to come out of the bathroom and we're gonna grab some breakfast. This necklace is also from Carmen and Amy Chia's collection with en route. And their collection literally slayed so hard. I've been actually wearing all of their rings that were part of the collection. These are a few of them. They were just so like uniquely different from any of the collections that I've seen, so I really liked the style they went for. I have to pee so badly. Please turn green so I can go pee. To Target, we're going to get flowers and pee. Flowers for my sister's, nope, my boyfriend's sister is getting married. These are so cute. We didn't get flowers, but gift cards. I feel like are always useful. And a Snickers bar. I'm just feeling very low energy right now. My mental sharpness is not there. I don't know why I thought a Snickers could solve that, but it's really good. I'm dying out here. Oh, that's pretty. We settled on these sunflowers because they're so pretty. This is me getting my life together. Oh my gosh. It looks so beautiful. This looks so funny, but I think it's the wind mic, but it just looks like a cotton ball. This is my first step towards leveling up my content creation. If you guys watched my last video, I actually filmed all of it on this ZVE1. Actually had rented 2 lenses from Lens Rental and then the camera itself. And I just really wanted to test out a different camera before I bought it because the purchase of this one was expensive. Just like the whole production in itself, especially getting like really cool lenses to use that are sharper and wider than this one is, it made the whole experience of making the video a lot more enjoyable. And just it felt like I was like filming a film, even though that was like nothing of the sort of what I was doing. I don't know, I feel like I've just been in a place where I'm only filming because it's convenient to do it. I would rather be making videos because I'm looking to create something inspirational. I just feel like I haven't really been doing that, at least for myself. And so my last video that I kind of put together was an example of what I'm trying to start doing. And few people that have kind of inspired me to take this direction are Colt Kerwin and Life of Riza, who ironically they are together, which I thought was really funny. Like I didn't even know that at first. I was watching them separately and then I was like, oh, they're together. Well, that makes sense because they're both cinematic geniuses. It's definitely a next level of like creativity for I think the YouTube space especially. That was quite a large ramble. Get ready for a new chapter of my channel. I will start probably using this camera in the next video, I want to say, and finish out this last video with my Canon M50. It was, you were lovely. Breakfast at 3 p.m. It hits. So right now I'm trying to finish up my biolab presentation, but I need to make sure that it's 13 minutes long. So I'm gonna do a little test trial run with voice memos to see if it ends up being 13 minutes long, which I hope, because I can't do any more of this. The maritime influence typically affects the Los Angeles basin, causing, sorry. That only turned out to be like 6 minutes, and I was very much dragging that along too. So that means we need to add a few more details and read more on the textbook. There are 4 distinct seasons that incorporate. That was really bad. That was really bad. Redo. Okay, I think I'm done. I just need to copy the link, share it with my professor. It's submitted. I don't think by any means it was perfect, but that's okay with me. I am just gonna leave it at that. I have to take some notes for my CAS 325 class. It's asynchronous, so basically she just like provides the lectures and you can do with that what you will, but you should probably be a responsible student and take notes. We're pulling out the notebook for this class, and it's my little Simple Life notebook. I actually did write my notes and they came out so cute. I think this little journal is so cute for taking notes because it's just like a little bit of a smaller page, so I feel like I can organize things a little bit better.
These are, and then what they develop into. This visual here gives you an idea. These are really important for that prenatal development. Prenatal, about water births and different birthing centers, not just feed a baby. The stage being that the baby is not developing.
as we collectively decide how to integrate this technology into our...
I just finished all my homework for today. Ended off by watching a little video, not a little video, this was a very informative video actually. Designer babies in the future, which is basically about genetically modifying the genes of babies, which is insane. But I'm going to shower now. My hair feels disgusting. I haven't washed it. I want to say like almost a full week. That is really bad. That's the reaction I would give myself. Video was my attempt at just improving my life. Not even trying to fully get it together, because I feel like that can never happen. My life will never be at a point where it is perfect. It's always going to be a work in progress, and I'm okay with that. So long as I'm enjoying myself throughout the process. Have an amazing day. I love you guys. Hugs and kisses.